what the epic life really looks like. Let's bust the myth right now. The epic life is not yachts and Lamborghinis or Ferraris. It's waking up every day feeling awesome from within. The epic life looks like doing work that energizes you, not drains you. Deep, soul nourishing relationship and having the courage to say no to whatever no longer serves you. And being fully you without apology, without shrinkage. Feeling free, grounded, aligned, and powerful. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be honest with yourself. You know what the epic life is. It is the life where your spirit is turned all the way on. And the best part, you're only one decision away from starting.